Hi friends, welcome to Doctor's Angle. I'm Dr. Tisha, dentist by profession, and I'm here today because of my hobbies, not because of my profession. So hashtag hobby versus profession. Today I will tell you about a superfood which is trending since long time on internet, and maybe if you are aware, if you are not, it is known as makhana in Hindi, and English you can call it fox nuts or lotus seeds, and it is derived from lotus plants only. It has so many benefits. It is rich in antioxidant, it has anti-aging properties, it is rich in magnesium and low in sodium, so it is very good for our heart as well as for our health. It is a good source of protein, especially for vegetarians, and you can use it in so many ways. Like you can use it in the fast, you can use it as snacks, you can use it in the sweet dishes, you can use it in the gravies, you can use it as a first metabolism booster snack in the morning because it is very healthy. And today I will tell you how you can use in making gravies. Yes, friends, you can make any gravy healthy, tasty, and thick with the help of these fox nuts, and without using n number of ingredients and without using extra doses of spices. You can make any gravy yummy. And today I will tell you bottle guard recipe. Yes, most of us don't like bottle guard, especially kids, but you can make bottle guard also yummy with the help of makhanas, and maybe my recipe can help you out with that. So let's start. We need peeled and chopped bottle gourd, spices like red chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mustard oil, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, green chili, makhanas or lotus seeds, asafoetida powder, cumin seeds, and garam masala. Here I preferred MTR brand, you can take any brand, and salt. Now we will grind together tomatoes, green chili, makhanas, and cumin seeds. We want thick and coarse paste, so adjust water accordingly. Keep it till half of the ingredients. And we don't want very fine paste, so please keep it thick and coarse. Don't make it very watery or very fine. Now our puree is ready. See, it is thick and coarse. And now we will mix all the spices together with little bit of water, like coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, and asafoetida. Add little water only. Now we'll heat the cooker and add oil in it. If you are using mustard oil, heat it properly, otherwise raw mustard oil will taste very bad. Now we'll add chopped onions in it and we'll fry it till it get golden brown in color. Mix well. See, our onion is ready, it became light brown in color, and now we'll add the spices mix in it and we'll mix it properly and we'll cook it till spices and oil get separate. Cook it spices properly because turmeric, raw turmeric doesn't taste good. It will spoil the taste of vegetable. See, our spices are ready. The oil and spices are separate now. And here we'll add the puree of tomato and makhanas in it. Mix well and close the lid for 3 to 5 minutes and cook the puree. Our puree is ready now. See how thick it has come. Now we'll add bottle guard here. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 potatoes also. It tastes really good. And here we will not adjust any water because bottle guard also leaves water during cooking. So adjust water in the puree only, otherwise it will be very watery and it will not taste good. And now we'll add salt to taste and we'll close the lid and give 5 to 7 whistles. If your bottle guard is fresh, it will cook easily, but if it's not, it will take time. And so accordingly give the whistles, because if it's uncooked, it will not taste good. We need 5 to 7 whistles. And now our bottle guard curry is ready. See how thick and creamy it has come. You can garnish it with coriander and you can serve hot with chapatis, rice, or even with puris. If you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. It's free. And next, there is a dental tip for you. It's time for dental tip now. How I can forget my profession? Today I will tell you a very basic tip, but it is very important. Most of us we are aware, but we ignore that brushing twice a day is must. Morning as well as in the night. Night brushing is must. In the morning we brush because our mouth stings, but in the night we don't brush. We eat and straight away we go to bed. In the night, we don't drink water, we don't masticate, so there is no proper secretion of saliva. And secretion of saliva is a self-cleansing mechanism of our oral cavity. And presence of food particle in our mouth during the night can lead to cavities and even gum issues. So please follow this habit with your kids too, and follow this habit regularly and keep away your dental issues and your dentist too. So it's enough for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.